Question is to the Minister for Lands and Mineral Resources. Could the Minister please advise us to the status of exploration licenses for the mining at the mouth of the Vuniwaqa River?
Thank you, Honourable Minister for Lands and Mineral Resources.
Madam Speaker, I rise to answer the question posed. Exploration license for the mouth of the Vuniwaqa River. There was one in existence, but that expired earlier this year. There is now an application for renewal, and the Department of Mineral Resources is undertaking due diligence in relation to that application.
Thank you.
Supplementary, Madam Speaker.
Supplementary.
As part of that application, Madam Speaker, can the Minister inform the House whether an environmental impact assessment has been undertaken or is being undertaken? And if it has been undertaken, what's been the assessment?
Thank you. The Honourable Minister.
As said, Madam Speaker, the license has expired. For applications for special prospecting licenses, a requirement is the environmental impact assessment. That's usually done before the issuance of a license. For renewals, of course, the existing environmental impact assessment may have to be updated. That's all part of due diligence if any renewal is to take place.
Thank you. Supplementary question.
Mr. Minister, would this be similar to the mining at the mouth of the Mba River? Because, Madam Speaker, we should know the environmental impact of that before we touch Vuniwaqa, and I believe after Vuniwaqa it will be Rewa River. What are you going to be left with when all this thing is done, Madam Speaker? So we need to know what the implications are at this time, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
High and dry.
Honourable Minister.
For the other license, this is a new question anyway, but for all applications for SPL, they undergo the same procedures. As for the divulgence of the environmental impact assessment, the department can surely look into that if the honourable member is very concerned.
Thank you. Supplementary question, the Honourable Bolitabo.
My question will be related. And allow me, Madam Speaker. When you talk about giving exploration license, for them to explore. Explore, once you get exploration license to explore, then after that you'll get a special mining license. Once the Department of Mines, they say that yes, you got the samples, the real minerals are there. The question is, when these companies, like they're mining at one site, they're going to the second site. What process are in place? According to the Auditor General's report, Madam Speaker, most of these companies, they don't fill the relevant form. They don't give their financial standings, their financials. How can they be given another license when they are not even complying with the standards?
Thank you for your question. The Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, we are now moving to mining licenses. This is different from the original question, but with mining licenses, there are also procedures in place to be followed. If the honourable member is aware of a particular case where procedures have been followed, I would like to know as well.
Thank you.